talking to me.
You just have to say stuff every now and then. Just look at the camera and I'll overdub it.
Egg.
What are you doing right now? Just explain what you're doing.
The egg, and then you get it out of the pan. Or you cook the egg, scramble it. You put it on the plate. Put the bacon and the onion. And then you start putting the rice in. And then you add all your stuff back in there. And then you put your fried rice mix, soy sauce. And then you put all the rice in and you saute it. And then you add a handful or two of peas for color. And then you get your chopsticks. That's her church. That'd be cool. Something I enjoy making. Well, you gotta have the older cook. Then start putting the rice in.
Want me to hold the pan over there?
Alright. I can lift it up pretty soon. I'm a messy cook. But it tastes good, right? Messy cook, but good dinner.
Mom, is this cauliflower rice?
No, real jasmine rice. Not minute rice, regular rice. I don't like minute rice for my fried plate.
5-minute rice.
This is 15-minute rice. It's stuck. Rice mix. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't see the ice.
Don't see the ice. Those are snow peas.
I wish they